You want to look unreal without even trying, creating that magnetic, head-turning energy. But most glow-up advice is a trap, getting you to buy more and try harder, only to end up looking desperate. Stay with me to the end, because the last tip is the one thing that makes all of this work. If you skip it, I promise, none of this will stick. But first, I want you to promise to hit the subscribe button and comment, "I'm ready to glow up." Once you say it, your brain treats it like a commitment, so you're way more likely to actually follow through. Let's get into it. Section 1. The foundation. Your blank canvas. Okay, let's start with the glowy skin canvas. You wake up, you look in the mirror, and your skin is just meh. It's dull, it's tired, maybe a little puffy. That's the first thing people see, that tired vibe. It screams that you're drained, and it kills your energy before you've even had your coffee. Sound familiar? You're probably slapping on layers of product, the 10-step routines you see on TikTok, the thick, heavy foundations, the caked-on concealer. But instead of looking glowy, it just looks heavy. It cakes up in your smile lines by noon and looks totally fake in natural light. Here's why. Those complicated routines often strip your skin's natural barrier, leaving it irritated and even more dull. You're trying to fix the problem with products that are actually making it worse. The most viral, unreal, without trying videos all agree on one thing. A radiant skin canvas and healthy hair are the non-negotiable base. If this foundation shines, you barely need anything else. So here's the new blueprint. First, simplify your routine. All you truly need is a gentle cleanser, a targeted serum, a moisturizer, and SPF. That's it. For the ultimate hack, find a tinted SPF that can double as your primer. This gives you that velvet skin trend that's going to be everywhere in 2026, a soft focus glow without the weight of foundation. Second, hydration is non-negotiable. Guzzle water like it's your job. And get your 8 hours of sleep, preferably on a silk pillowcase to avoid sleep creases and hair breakage. Section 2. The frame. Effortless hair. Your hair is the frame for your face. If it's frizzy, flat, or just a chaotic mess, it's an instant vibe killer. People notice your hair before they even make eye contact. Here's the mistake I see all the time. Trying a new, complicated hairstyle every single day, chasing whatever style is trending that week. Like, girl, come on. One day, it's a slicked back bun that gives you a tension headache. The next, it's heat-styled waves that fall flat in an hour. It feels forced, insecure, and like you're trying way too hard to be someone you're not. And when the style flops, your confidence flops with it. The secret from the people who always nail the effortless vibe is rotation, not revolution. They don't reinvent their hair every morning. Instead, they master 3 simple, signature styles they know work for their face shape, hair type, and lifestyle. So here's your hack. Find your 3 signature styles. Practice them until you can do them in under 10 minutes. The goal is to make them look intentional, not perfect. Then, invest in the health of your hair so it looks good on its own. That means weekly deep conditioning masks and a good quality shine spray or oil for a touch of polish. Just 1 pump is enough. Hey Lilies! Quick reminder only, if you've been following this channel, you know we're all about embracing that glow-up journey, not just on the outside, but in how we carry ourselves every day. To help you stay inspired and organized on that path, I've curated some digital resources over at Pnkdior Collections. Whether you're looking for tools to level up your glow up or digital journals to track your self-improvement goals, there's something there designed specifically for your growth. Feel free to browse the full collection at payup.com/Pnkdior Collections. Let's keep investing in ourselves and glowing from the inside out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more and more video. See you there. Section 3. The details. Clean girl slay. Let's talk makeup. A makeup meltdown is a real confidence killer. We've all seen it. Harsh blush that looks like a stripe. Raccoon eyes from smudged liner. Foundation that's 3 shades off. It looks desperate, not mesmerizing. It's the visual equivalent of shouting for attention. You're probably spending ages blending, trying to copy a look you saw on a filtered photo. What looks sculpted and flawless through a phone camera often looks jarring and heavy in person. Over-relying on filters actually messes with your brain, making you feel like the real you is off or not good enough. The secret is the Clean Girl Makeup Slay, but the 2.0 version. It's a maximum of 5 products, used strategically. A tinted moisturizer or SPF for that glowy base, a soft cream blush for a romantic flush of color, a neutral shadow in your crease for a pop of dimension, a single coat of mascara, and a tinted lip gloss or oil. That's it. First, you look clean, fresh, and like you were born with perfect skin. The minimal lines and soft colors are captivating. Second, you can do this signature look in 5 minutes flat. It becomes your go-to. It radiates a confidence that says, I have my life together, and I don't need to hide behind a mask. You're not trying to be that girl from TikTok. You've become that girl in your own life. Section 4. The aura, posture, and style. Your aura is the invisible energy field around you, and it's created by two things you might not think about: your posture and your personal style. Let's talk about the pain point. A slouchy walk, rounded shoulders, eyes glued to the floor. It's an instant, low-energy label. Your clothes are random, a mix of mismatched trends you bought on impulse. The mistake is copying micro-trends. You see an outfit on social media, you buy it, and you feel off. It's because that outfit wasn't chosen for you by you. The quiet luxury aesthetic is a great guide here. It's not about spending a lot of money, it's a mindset. It favors clean lines, minimal jewelry, and well-fitting basics in neutral tones. So here's the hack. First, posture. This is a psychological power pose. Shoulders back, chin up, walk with purpose. Studies suggest that simply holding this posture can make you feel more self-assured. Do a posture check every time you walk through a doorway. Second, your style. Create a mini uniform of 5 to 7 outfits that you know you look and feel incredible in. These should be your go-tos. When you eliminate the daily stress of what to wear and know that whatever you put on makes you feel powerful, your energy shifts. Section 5. The connection. Eye contact and vibe lock. This one is subtle but monumentally powerful. Think about it. Shy, fleeting glances. Looking away the second someone catches your eye. Hiding in your phone to avoid any potential for awkward interaction. This is a massive missed opportunity for connection. That cute person across the coffee shop? They see you as avoidant, not mysterious. Your friends? They might feel like you're not fully present with them. The common mistake is being too scared to hold eye contact. It feels vulnerable, intense, and deeply uncomfortable, so you retreat. But magnetism is built on connection, and the eyes are the gateway. Here is the hack to build this skill without the fear. Start soft. If looking directly into someone's eyes feels like too much, look at the bridge of their nose or their mouth while they're talking. The goal is to get comfortable holding your gaze on their face. The next step is the mirror hack. Practice making eye contact with yourself in the mirror for 10 seconds every day. It feels weird at first, but you're training your brain to be comfortable with being seen. Then, add a soft, gentle smile. When you can hold eye contact with a calm smile, you create a vibe lock. It builds an unforgettable aura of quiet power. Section 6. The mindset, the final, critical lock. And now, for the final and most important piece, the tip that ties it all together. You can have the glowiest skin, the perfect hair, the most confident posture, but if you don't have this one thing, none of it will land. You'll still feel on the inside, and that feeling will leak out. Here's why. Social media and trend cycles have created an aesthetic factory that churns out the same look, the same vibe, the same everything. And when you try to fit into that mold, you erase the one thing that makes you truly magnetic, your individuality. The ultimate psychological hack is to cultivate quiet power. It's not about being the loudest person in the room. It's about being the most self-possessed. It's about owning your unique energy, your personal style, your authentic self. The main character energy trend isn't about being the star of everyone else's movie. It's about being the undisputed star of your own. It's a self-affirming energy that prioritizes your narrative. This means you have to stop seeking external validation. You have to stop looking at trends to tell you who to be. The glow-up tips in this video are tools, not rules. They are meant to help you express the amazing person you already are, not to build a new person from scratch. So, the final hack is a commitment. A commitment to stop comparing, to stop copying, and to start listening to yourself. What makes you feel good? What makes you feel powerful? What makes you feel alive? Chase that feeling relentlessly. That is the source of the unreal, effortless glow. When you vibe with yourself that hard, the world has no choice but to vibe with you too. Hey Lilies! Quick reminder only, if you've been following this channel, you know we're all about embracing that glow-up journey, not just on the outside, but in how we carry ourselves every day. To help you stay inspired and organized on that path, I've curated some digital resources over at Pnkdior Collections. Whether you're looking for tools to level up your glow-up or digital journals to track your self-improvement goals, there's something they're designed specifically for your growth. Feel free to browse the full collection at payup.com/Pnkdior Collections. Let's keep investing in ourselves and glowing from the inside out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more and more video. See you there.